Ta-da! I tried leveling the motor too, and I just checked and I had no spark, but I couldn't see, so I'm just gonna touch this while I pull this and see if I get a ow. And if I don't get one ow, this is probably bad, or the little conductor on the little contact points on here might be bad, but I just put that in like last year. So it didn't shock me. It's probably because this housing is bad. I don't even think it's worth it. I'm gonna look for a new motor. If I can't get this started by tomorrow, mess around with it and just figure it out. I mean, whatever this motor is, I gotta get a newer one. I might just fabricate a Predator on there. That way I won't want to upgrade later. It's only like 300 bucks. But yeah, anyway, gonna put this down for a little bit, but it was a fun day. It was a fun day. I don't even have a shade tree. I got my 3040s GMC runners. Found those in a trash can. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. I mean, I'll probably mess with this a little more now that I got an idea of what I needed to do, but probably just get a new Predator motor and I'll figure out how to... I mean, this just looks like housing. I mean, and then I'm pretty sure there's like a clutch brake. I'll probably use this in the fire.